Hello and welcome to today's Unreal Engine video. Today we will use Invoke AI and we will create some textures for our buildings. So our building buttons are the same all the time right now, and we want to create nicer buttons with Invoke AI. So the idea is to use some symbols like this and feed it to the AI and create some nicer stuff out of it. But first we will just try to create some symbols without input just to see what comes out. I will use the prompt from the beginning. But we also need the negative prompt, not sure. Now we have this, we copy the negative prompt and then we recall the prompt from our lumber. This was the first thing we did. Building. We want a building icon and it should be a lumberjack hut. And let's see, we make a small image, remove this, and let's see what the Invoke AI will give us. Okay, nothing. We don't need the in-paint mask. Oh, I did the wrong. So I always have two images. It's a crazy lumberjack hut. This looks nice, but has nothing to do with what I wanted. Okay, when we do this, it will always be a house, and this is not what we want exactly. So now we add an asset like the X, and we add it as global reference, and we want to have this composition. Okay, and this is what's happening. Okay. We scale it. Like this. And let's see what he's doing now. So I'm not... Oh. I'm really not sure what he's doing right now. But I think I have to remove my global reference image. Let's see again. Okay, he makes it just dark. Maybe I add an paint mask and only do this. Wow. This X looks nice, but I'm not sure how this... I think I have to make it white. Let's try this out. We open up the image in Paint. Make it a white X. And let's try out again. Oh, it's better now. Okay, we can make it black. Black is nothing. Okay, now we are... We're coming closer. Okay, what is this? So we increase the width. we do the transform again. And let's see what's happening now. Wow. Okay, when we add it as a raster layer, the color is important, but we don't want to have that color. And what's the control layer? We add it here. We transform it a little. Why is it clipping so hard? Doesn't matter. Let's see what he is doing with this control layer now. Okay, that's... And now we are getting there. Let's decrease the weight of this control layer a little bit. So we add button and lumber. So now I think I have to describe So do I want a button with it? No, I only want the X. And maybe I will try out that's a strange X. I try out the other symbol I got. I'm color it instead again. And add this one to my assets. Remove this one. And add it as a new control layer. transform it. And remove the other one. And now let's see what he does there. I like the X, but maybe I could add my icon here. And it would be clear what he's doing. So when, oh, sorry, I'm looking for my icons. So when I have my number here, and I accept this one, remove my control layer, and add this the raster layer. And transform it. Apply. Then I remove this one here. I'm not sure if the AI should work like this, but I will try out. So I'm using it like paint right now. So it's smaller. Okay, and now we try to invoke again and see what we get here. Ooh. It's not looking completely bad, but also not that good. We discard it and try to draw it better. And maybe we add in-paint mask and remove. Can we? We only want to make the in-paint. No. We want to edit. Let's see again. Okay. So maybe make it. I only want the X. Remove this. Remove this. Remove. Okay, I can't revert my changes here. I save this one. And make a new X instead. We try it again. And maybe we get a little bit of a nicer X, and then we cut this X out and combine it with our lumber icon. Let's do it again. Okay, that's not good. Oh, I like this one. So now we should add the style of this one. So let's use this as a global reference image, and we want to add the style, but not that much, about 0.5 weight. like the X. Now we remove the control layer, add in-paint mask. Add this to the in-paint mask. Say no iron. Oh. Okay, this was not what I wanted. Just do another one with less weight. Remove the... Oh. Can we get our... So let's do again. Huh? Now we have what we want. Now we add in-paint mask, and we want this better. Almost. It's very... Ooh, that's good. That's good. It's always very exciting to see what's coming up, because I'm not really experienced with it, but I like this one. So now we save this to our gallery. And then we add to our building icons folders. Then we remove these things here. Remove this one and download this image. To our icons folder. And then we open up Photoshop. And now we want to cut this one out. I'll zoom in a little. Oh, I think that's good. We revert this, cut this out, and now we want to see how big our icon should be. The last one was 512. And now when we the stone icon was 512 as well. The lumberjack is smaller. So that's why when we add the lumberjack item icon here, it's a little bit blurry. So like this is good, but we make it a little bit bigger. And then I think I have to also make this a little bit bigger. So then I combine it. And now we check it out. I think it's not that bad. The lumber icon is not perfect. But when we make it smaller, we can't. So now we could use this one here. As texture icon buildings. And now we have the lumberjack icon. We need to add a background somehow, I think. But I will keep it like this for now. There's still some room for improvement. And when I do the other buttons, it will improve somehow. But I think the idea with the tool and the resource is nice. So there is an overview what is produced here. Yes, I will keep it. And so, because this was very fast and I like it, how it looks now, this was the video for today. I hope you have a nice day and see you again.